Welcome guys, in this tutorial we're talking about Python operations, and we're going to show you some sort of basic Python operation like plus, minus, and so on, which I'm going to explain. So let's start with the concept of a boolean. So for the concept of the boolean, we have a, for example, equal to true. As you can see, the Python changed the color, and we have false. So these are generally two booleans that we have, and depends on the operations. We're going to get the output of one of each. For example, let's just start with simple equal thing operation. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Let's just run it. Assuming we want to see print if x equal to y. So the statement is not true for sure, and it just returned the false. There are different Python operations. Mathematically speaking, we have plus, minus, multiply, division, module, exponentiation, floor division. So let's just do some couple of exploration on any of which. We have x and y above. Let's just print x plus y. So you just print the basically additive operation on that. Let's just print x to the power of y. It's 1, as 1 to the power of anything will be 1. Let's just turn the x value and print x to the power of 1 again. So you get 9, as 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 9. There are different operations there. You can just try to work with them to have a hands-on on that. Well, let's talk about different kind of operations. Assuming we have x and we write x plus equal to 3. So what does that mean? As you can see, it take x plus x3 and equal to x. It just replace it. It is equal to writing x equal to x plus 3. It's just a short demonstration of the same operation. So you just may see that operation x plus equal to 3 many times in different Python programs, and you should know that it is the same as x equal to x plus 3. And let's just go with it. So we have x and y. Let's say x, y. This sign means not equal, and it returns true for sure, because x not equal y is a true statement already. And let me see what kind of operation I may remember. Alright, we can have x greater than y, which is true because x is 3 or 6, as just it's been replaced, and y is 2, so x greater than y is going to be true. Well, let's put x less than y. We should get false. Yes, so we get false in here. Let's just do some other kind of logical operations. Assuming we have x greater than y and x equal to 6. This AND means this statement returns true if both of the elements are true. So here we get false. We have x equal to 9, so x equal to 6 is wrong, because one of the statement is wrong. is false, it returns false in general. Let's put like x greater than y and x equal to 9. We get true because obviously both are correct. But if you want to change the fact that, let's just change the operation. The fact is x equal to 6 is wrong and x greater than y is true. What if we put or? So it returns true, because unlike and, or is simply if one of these statements is true, it returns the whole thing as true. One last thing, let's define a list. We discussed the list later in our tutorials, but let's put 1, 3, 4, 6, define a list as this. And we define y equal to 3. So we want to use the in operation. So we want to say y in the list x. And it turns true because as we can see, y, which is 3, is in the list that we defined. So this sequence, which is only one number, is inside the other sequence that we're using. But if we put y not in x, it returns false because the whole statement is false. Okay guys, that was our tutorial about the Python operations. Hope you find it useful. If you had any question, feel free to put a comment, and don't forget to read the descriptions and subscribe to stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.